How to turn on or off notification for blocked calls on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn it off or on. First just go to Truecaller and here click on your profile, and after that click settings, and then here you will find block. Click on it. Now scroll all the way down until you find this one. Here is it, notification for blocked calls, and you can turn it off or on just by one click, and that's it. And I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.